Yeah, Daddy!
Pwede ba siyang barangay ng maliliit na isda?
Pwede. Tapos ulaman natin. Ganda na tilapia. Daddy, GK. Nak. Ito.
Yakapin mo muna. Yakapin mo muna.
Yan, laka nito kay. Ito, turn of hair.
I can feed you there.
Laki. Ano isda to, Dad? Arwana? Ayun pala. Oo nga na. Pala siya, guys.
Tumawag muna dati.
Natagyan. Hindi. Ang sama to. Ito yung ano. Abo.
Paborito ng Jiggy.
Catfish.
Pampalo.
Asan? Ano? Laki na isda ko. Laki ganyan.
Madali siya.
Laki na isda.
Sayang, ikaw. Yan, isa ng tissue yan.
Anak, nagpunta tayo dito. Ang daming estudyante, no? Ngayon lang natin na ano. Daddy, may ano. Stingray. May stingray yan lang sa gitna. O drawing lang yan.
Drawing lang yan.
Hindi totoo, Dad.
Natakot siya.
Mga ano. Meron kang kagaya na. Uy! Ayan siya guys. Silver dollar tetra. Ayan. Number shark.
You wanna go inside?
I'm just looking at them.
Shark yan. Eat me. Gagi. Eh, siya na. Daddy. Hi. Kay. Daddy, kay. Titingin lang eh.
Ano grabe naman? Wait lang. Nakatingin siya sa atin.
Oo. Yung tumalog. Tingin. Tatakot siya. Ito yung ulo niya. Ito yung ulo niya. Late. Ano yung sound? Tapang. Yung nagsasalita
Ahas yan? Parang ahas dagat na to.
Hindi ano.
Hindi nakapasok.
Yung nag-iisip.
Bakit mo yan?
Parang swordfish eh. Ito yung mga wallpaper.
Wala naman eh. Hindi, ayun kasi. Wallpaper. O nga no. Guys, so parang wallpaper.
Wallpaper sa computer.
O nga no, yun o. Ganda ng mga isda.
Yung wallpaper, no?
Kawawan mo isda.
Ah, we have 15 minutes.
Ito pa dati oh. Oras na ba? Ito dati yung ano yung yun ko siya. palang ganyan to?
Para naka-communicate sila. Pre, wala tayo maka-escape dito.
Family sila pa.
Hindi sila mga kalayas. Ang laki. Iyaw.
Pwede. Tara. Giant.
Giant. Oo nga, no?
Pre, wala tayo
Pindin.
Pwede mo napakain din sa swimming nila. Nag-snorkeling kay dad.
Oo, yarn.
Oo nga, no? Sige na.
Nagugutom ko.
Dahil ginala kayong dalawa. Kaya na.
Oo, yun. Oo. Hello. Luto nga ito mo.
Baka masaya na. Ako nga kasi.
Ang pala nila.
Daddy, wait lang. Kalmaan mo muna. Nirelax ka lang. Ayan, dalawa.
Picture mo na kayo, ma'am, sir.
Tara, tara.
Ay, Carlos, Tigre. Wait lang, wait, touch the fish.
Wala namang fish ba? Najigay? Nami mo? Kaya kung sino sino mawak dyan. Daddy, kung sino sino mawak dyan. Kulit ni Gerard, ha? Kasi hawak ng burger mamaya. Ang kape dad, oh. Ayun. Ayun, daddy, oh. Meron pala, dad.
Sarado nga eh. Tingnan mo.
Sige. Ano pala to, daddy? Dine-in? ganda.
Palisan na tayo mami sa Silayan.
Meron pa din.
90.
Hindi din na rin apply.
Wala na short.
Tutok-tukin ko rin kayo.
Nakakaiya, baka kami sa
Ay, kaya. Diba nakaso?
Sa TV name is Iguana Iguana. Their common version to be a green iguana with a red body, green belly, roxy, spines covered their scalp. These faucet agent creator have spikey tails, razor sharp teeth, and sizes ranging from about 2 feet to 6 feet. The remarkable eyes belonging to the genus Obama are medium-sized lizard native to the arid region of Australia. They have a flattened body, triangular head, and distinctive bird of spine skin. In the wild, bearded dragon are omnivores who swim inside vegetation and occasionally fruits as fencing and through body language, and can live up to 10 to 15 years. Good afternoon. The next animal is bird-tail. Bird sound is very gentle and very loud. Any possible sound in your last like you.
Cute ng babe.
I'm excusing for a while, just stay right here, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, these meters in length and can weigh almost about 200 pounds. As you can see from the color, they cannot go that sweet, so that's why that is good. I'm ready for it. Face the camera.
Ay, hindi na kita.
And smile. A round of applause in the trainers who make this show possible. I really want a big trainer here. I feel that dragon covered with
Let's go local on the Racing Bird, Taco. Taco is our weekend tattoo. Sunday is out to all the senses. These birds can be found in Eastern Asia and are the largest among the white tattoos. There you go, that shows Switzerland. Around the world, for Taco is trainer Jeffrey. Now, let's call our psychic bird, Nazel. Nazel is our super present tattoo. Sunday is out to all the Rita. Kung ang ginamitan sa Pilipinas and for Sarlas sa home place sa Australia. There were relatively almost any song. Native frequencies, nuts, roots, and Surian papaya and rambutan, and we also love war. Now guys, do you think Nazel sa Pilipino fight is in love there? Wave yes and say, you can do it, Nazel! Rocky for the first goal, followed by Andrew Sassy and second goal for Rocky. And for the last goal, Rocky wins. Player Peter Rocky is about that you guys lose this time.
Oh, want another race?
Oh, they want another race, Player Benji.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sass to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about your winners.
And what is the lyrics?
The first person who dropped the 3 race into the pool the fastest is the winner. And that is our race.
So the winner is Rachel Villa. Number guys, boys have already 1 point. And first one, Legend Sassy to win this time. And Rio is gonna this time. Our winner is ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ring. Okay, what's happening? Sassy!
Daya.
Hey, you guys did it!
We didn't cheat. Sassy user.
That's why we continue to answer skills and not get bored. So, here is Sassy once again. Sassy going to show us how energy is by putting the sheep back into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, we most are from South America and Little Giant of the Panama family. It is because they're the second largest next to the highest in the coast. They can grow 292 centimeters and can live up to 8 years old. Sometimes are they usually proceed and soak minerals along the riverbanks and for the washing. And there you go, enter the driver for Sassy with Player Peter. Now guys, who loves fun? Everyone learns of tradition, right? Well, this next part of our program will leave people bubble to these. Even as the leaders, we think birds can do what? But before turning over the wizard, now we need 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any numbers between 1 to 50? What number, guys? 49. Okay, so first number is number 80. So the second number. Okay, second number is number 14. So the equation is 20 plus 14. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Player Mongoy will shuffle the numbers. Now let's go right with one more, Rocky. Okay, Player Benji is now ready. Now Rocky solve the equation for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So the second number. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, I think Rocky is calculating. And he knows the answer. And he gets the number 4. So, 20 plus 14 is equal to 34. Sangriola Subucatensis, these are some are dating ng Dumanas and possibly single. And as you can see, we have our home ingredients. Home ingredients are the name of the liquid and for others and our home ingredients. During the young part, we read that there is hope. Will but also in the gender as well. Now guys, who knows the regards? Recycle, where we learn the word, and then the ones how to release this photo. Trainer Maggie with shallow. Trainer Danny with body. Trainer Gilbert with Jumbo. Trainer Peter with Sassy. Trainer Benji with Rocky. Trainer Jamie with Hope. Trainer Mark with the home ingredients. And Master Trainer Jim. Thank you and goodbye. Bye guys. Please sit because it's others live room. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Gusto ka lang.
color vision. In the wild, making happy water goes to shore. Love right music like hosts, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent capabilities, which can easily scale rocking land. That is a dirty song from Clippers. Now let's talk about reading about these, and let's start with I love the cutest. brothers and sisters in you wherever you go. And remember that what we do with our life greatly affects our friends and sea. City lands and remotes cannot survive in natural environments. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many habitats that survive us all over the world. Such as clean and little happy. We will promote these inside our ocean. Always remind that we are secret of our man and us. Each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of ICE Center J, Iowa, and our aides, all of us in Republic and Middle Ocean Park, we would like to thank you everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye, Garcia and Frank. Say goodbye now. By the way, guys, if you look around some photos of lovers and lions, please approach our photographer at the exit area. Thank you.
Nangangagat ata ate. Hindi yan nangangagat na.
Yung nakita natin ako sa palabas, ito naman malaki.
Dami na ulo nila.
Yung talaga ito sa lugar.
Ito daddy oh, ang laki. Go on. Love, ano sila? Magjowa?
Hindi, yung pizza. Oo, alam mo sila.
Kaya nga eh.
Ako, at least nito na mapakain sila. Yung hawak-hawak. Yung hawak-hawak.
Naku, ipis oh. Ipis.
Hindi siya natatakot.
Dragon.
Apat pala sila. Ang galing na magkamot.
Camouflage.
Ang galing na.
5 sila.
Sino yung isa?
Nakaka-camouflage niya.
Sino yung isa? Apat ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Sino yung isa?
Hindi nakikita ni Gigi yung bandi mo.
Sino kasi?
Oo nga, 1, 2, 3. Ako din, 4. 1,
Ayaw ko lang.
Ito rin ah. Snake. Gusto niyo tumakas. Gusto niyo tumakas na. Wala din. Ayaw na niya dito.
Nagana sa mami.
Hindi nga yung tumakas eh.
Frog, hindi crab. Frog, malaka.
Ang laki yun. Siguro dati itong...
Binom sa akin. Red, yung tarantula. Tarantula.
Ano to, Daddy?
Ayun, marvelous na. Cute yan.
Ha?
Cute yan. Ayun siya.
Yung sa sing? Yung sa sing, Dad, no? Yung sa'yo.
Oo, yun na. Yung sing. Bumuplat siya. Lumansin.
Ano to?
Birded dragon. Ayun yung kahapon nata. Birded dragon. Dragon bird.
Uy! May mga iba't ibang klaseng pagong pala, no? Na dati, no? Siguro ito yung mga makasalanang tao, tapos naging hayop.
Bata pa yan. Malaki yan.
Tulog.
Yan. Yan ang mawala.
Bango niya.
Ngapin ang bala mo sa kayo.
Ano naklaw yan? Iki, ilala mo.
Tayo mo.
Ano ko?
Yung kahapon
Ano
na
ba
ano?
yan, Daddy?
Asawa.
Ah,
Yung kahapon na ano talaga yun. Nakain na yun. Yung malaki. Malaki lang yun. Kung alam kung maliit na lang nilagay. Hindi rin yung matulog.
Daddy, gutom yan.
Ha?
Gutom yan.
Oo, hindi masyado kung ano.
Tingnan mo yung mga sila. Kanina nakaano yun. Parang hindi na Tapos kayo. Dagdag pa yung mga
Tulog pa sila. Eh, dapat siya na doon eh. Grabe, ang laki.
Gutom to. Pero parang mga iksin niya lang.
Laki.
Siyempre, hindi pa pinapakain. Pinakain mo yun.
Laki niyan, Dad. Alam ko na kung bakit hindi uso dito yung humidifier. Ah, meron dito, Dad.
Ito, ayun na. Mali.
Ito may ahas pa dito. Humihinga siya rin.
Nilit pa nila. Appear sila. Worms python. Ah, mali. Mga baby. Grabe. Tayo sa ano? Antarctica. Tayo sa Antarctica na.
Ah, wala na.
Told you.
Pala yun.
That's the end of the show. Sa Antarctica.
Bye! Ganda oh. Wala mo masyadong view. Puro ano lang. Yan, barko.
Wow.
Yan.
pa na to. Kaya na mami, inaanap ni Joey.
Ang cute kayo.
Oo, mas gets. Tigil lang kayo sa picture nila. Sanay na sila, no?
Yan juga yang daw yan. Ang galing niya lumungoy. Turtle penguin nga niya.
Ayan. Ayan na bukas mula. Binili mo kayo.
May penguin ako dun sa bahay. Nagkakamot siya, gano'n.
Kakamot siya.
May kabutang ka dan?
Nakikita ba tayo?
Hindi ko alam. Ang cute yan. Shh.
Ang galing ko kukain sila na doon.
Penguin.
Saan din sila? Kala ko napakain natin sila. Wait niya ano lang, balik lang siya. Nag-ahay.
I'm not a fish. I'm a bird.
Oo nga pala, bird sila.
Ayun na.
Gusto mo kayo, pakain ka ng parang.
Yes! Yan na may magkakapatid. Kasi nga medyo malabo eh.
Nagkakamot siya kay. Hindi mo ba? Blurred lang.
Yung mga drawing niya dito ah. Stingray to Atlantica. Dati, malinis-linis pa to eh. Ayun na pala. Ah, ito, daddy. sanay na siya.
Mga sir. Mga nyo na din ang spring train natin tsaka baby sharks.